Everyone is using the same AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva, but today I'm going to show you 5 powerful AI tools that almost nobody's talking about, and they can seriously save you time and make your work easier. Let's get into it. The first tool is NotebookLM. This tool lets you upload documents, PDF, or even links, and it will break everything down into simple explanations. What makes it really interesting is that it can even turn your notes into something like a podcast where it explains things in a conversational way. So if you are a student or someone who reads a lot, this can save you hours of stress. For instance, just come over here and click on create. You will appear in this particular section. Just upload your links, document, PDF, and you're good to go. Next is a platform called N8N. This is a powerful automation tool that lets you connect different apps together and automate tasks. For example, you can set it up so that when you receive email, it automatically saves the data somewhere or even responds. It might look a bit advanced at first, but once you understand it, it can literally run tasks for you in the background without you doing anything. The third tool is Goblin tools. This one is very simple but extremely useful. It helps you break down tasks into smaller steps, rewrite your text, organize your thoughts better. If you ever feel overwhelmed or don't know where to start, this tool can guide you step by step. Next, we have Napkin AI. This tool turns your text into clean visuals automatically. So instead of you writing long boring notes, it creates something more visual and easy to understand. This is great for students, creator, or someone making presentation. The last tool is called Elicit. This tool is perfect if you need real information or research. It helps you find and summarize research papers and give you actual insight instead of random opinions. So if you are someone who likes learning or creating informative content, this is a powerful tool to have. Those are the 5 AI tools that most people are not talking about yet, but they are extremely useful. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more videos like this and let me know which one you are going to try first. Bye for now. See you on my next video.